Today we are going to discuss distinction between different kind of alcohols. Distinction between different kind of alcohols. Okay, 3 tests we will show today. Number 1 is Victor Meyer test. Victor Meyer test. Second is Lucas test. These are all observable tests. You can apply heated copper test also for distinguishing these 3 alcohols. Okay, Lucas reagent, and another one is that is the iodoform test. Iodoform test, very important test. Iodoform test generally we will use to distinguish so many compounds. I'll tell you. So first of all, Victor Meyer test. What are the reagent we will add for Victor Meyer test? Number 1, first of all we will have to add, suppose you have 3 type of alcohols, you have to add first of all phosphorus, red phosphorus with iodine to convert alcohol into iodoalkane. All of us know this reaction already, we have discussed. Secondly, after adding this, second we need to add silver nitrite, AgNO2. Okay, and thirdly we will add what? Nitrous acid, which you need to prepare by adding NaNO2 with HCl. You will get this one. Okay, and at last we will make whole mixture alkaline by NaOH or KOH also you can add. Now after adding all these reagents, if you are getting blood red coloration, then this is primary alcohol. Then this is primary alcohol. After adding all these 4, if you are getting blue coloration of the solution, then your alcohol is second degree alcohol. And if you are getting colorless solution, after adding all this colorless solution, then your alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Am I clear? Now Lucas reagent, all of us know, that is what? Concentrated HCl along with zinc chloride anhydrous zinc chloride at room temperature. Condition is at room temperature. Okay, if turbidity appears, because if you add all this, then what you will get? Alkyl halide, which is insoluble, so you will get the PPT due to the formation of the PPT. If turbidity appears immediately, if immediately, then it is tertiary alcohol. If after 5 minutes, then it is second degree alcohol. If turbidity does not appear at room temperature, no turbidity, the turbidity will not appear at room temperature, then it is primary alcohol. Am I clear? And now we are going to discuss iodoform test. Separately I am telling you iodoform test. Iodoform test generally we do to distinguish between the alcohols. See, any alcohol having CH3CHOH group, it will give the iodoform test. Alcohol having this group will give iodoform test. Suppose you have CH3CH2OH. I am showing the hydrogen separately so that you can understand. This is ethanol. This is having CH3CHOH group. Now if you are adding 4-iodine, means iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Okay, then you will get what you know, CHI3, which is iodoform. Yellow color PPT you will get. Iodoform will be formed along with this. This one will become iodo, CHI3, okay? And rest of this, from this one we will get HCOONA plus iodide, sodium iodide plus water. This is our product mainly. Suppose your compound is CH3OH. It is not having CH3CHOH group, okay? So CH3OH will not be able to give the iodoform test. It will not give iodoform test. Like this way you can distinguish between different kind of alcohol, although it is both are primary alcohol, but you can distinguish in between this. Okay, so no more today. Next class we will discuss about the phenol and ether. Thank you class.